Hey you lovely people, this is a festive vlog for the end of 2019, so grab your favourite biscuit, cup of tea and strap yourselves in for the ride of your life. I haven't done a vlog in a while, and yes, I know I said I'd try and keep them going. I'm sorry, but real life just got in the way, and all the spare time I had to work on the channel basically just went on much more fun project videos and having fun. So I decided to do just one more vlog this year, wrapping up 2019 and going over some of my plans for 2020. The whole one video a week thing, yeah, that's gone out the window too. I had a good run earlier in the year, but it's just not feasible to do with a full-time job and a small child to take care of, at least not with the quality of the videos I want to do. Now, maybe when the channel gets a little bit more popular, I'll be able to commit a bit more time to this, perhaps, but we'll see. If you didn't see it, please check out the Dragon Pen video I did in October. I'll pop a link there. Didn't get anywhere near as many views as I'd hoped, and I was really proud of this one because it was a commission for a really good friend. The resin and broken glass technique was a bit messy, and the box itself wasn't great, but I still really loved it. I learned so much from making this one. I also learnt what doesn't work of spalting wood after watching a few other videos. I think I'm going to attempt this again because I think I can make it work later on. One awesome piece of news, some of you may have heard, I've started working with Banggood. They're sponsoring a few videos for me. Now, if you've never heard of Banggood, they're a Chinese e-commerce site that sells loads of cool stuff from gadgets and tech to clothes and tools. I've been using them for years, so I was pretty thrilled when they asked me to do a video for them, which you can check out here. The carbide turning tools they sell, that was my first video for them, and it did pretty well. Generated a few views and also generated a tiny bit of money from the affiliate links as well. And what's more, of course, I got these awesome tools from them, which honestly I rate them really highly. Definitely got bang for the buck. Hoping to do many more videos for them as long as they can cope with my silliness. I'm not exactly professional, but hey. The next video hopefully will be out in January, and they've sent me a CNC spindle which I'm going to mount to an old 3D printer and see what happens. Spoiler alert, there will be some destruction and failure, but it will be fun to watch. Something I can't tell you much about, but sometime in January hopefully there will be a new show on Channel 4 called The Fantastic Factory of Curious Craft. I'm not on it, but I have been involved in some small way, and I highly encourage you to watch it when it airs. It's going to be absolutely fantastic, and you'll see some amazing talent on there, hosted by the masterful Keith Lemon. Who's a top crafter. I always sort of wrote him off as just a comedian, but no, he's funny and he's a real good maker as well. Amazing chap. I probably said too much, but just check it out when it airs, okay? I've recently been active at my local makerspace again, where I've managed to find a way to get there and back, and I've taken on the fun project of repairing my good old friend Alan the Dalek. And we built Alan back in 2014, and over the following years he attended many events, raising a little bit of money for charity and promoting the Southampton Makerspace as well. We also had such an amazing fun time playing with him and scaring people, and we managed to meet loads of Doctor Who stars and other sci-fi stars. Using Alan the Dalek, I stage bombed Sylvester McCoy. We even got the Dalek onto the set of the BBC studios to help him film an episode, yeah. He has, however, in recent years not been worked on and has gathered dust, grazes, bumps, so he needs a little bit of love. So I'll be spending most of my time at the Makerspace working on him. I'm hoping he's going to be ready for May 2020 because Maker Central is back, and May 2020, yeah, I'll be there. Or hotel is already booked. Not exactly sure what I'm doing yet. Hoping at least I'll be able to bring the Dalek and roam around the event, terrifying small children. But that all hinges on me being able to get him up there somehow. So yeah, as I said, the room's already booked. And this time I'm really hoping I've got the whole weekend, so I won't miss anybody, hopefully. Something a few of my fellow makers have mentioned are these viral video pages on Facebook that will recut and repost your video to get them thousands, if not millions, of views. Most of my friends don't like the idea because it doesn't directly give any actual views to the channel. But as an experiment, I thought I'd give it a try because I really do need the exposure. And as a little channel, I thought, yeah, why not? What have I got to lose? It might motivate me to get a little bit more. Yeah, I've got under 500,000 views already, and about 10 new subscribers. So obviously it's not a great return, but I've not had to do anything other than give permission. And that, in my mind, that's 10 people who've seen my video and decided to subscribe. They've gone to my channel and subscribed. That's real engagement, real growth. So for a tiny channel, I'm happy as Larry. A few shout-outs to some of my awesome maker friends. The first shout-out is to Andy Hill from the channel AHBespoke. Andy is an awesome maker, woodworker, woodturner, but the thing I love about his stuff the most is the carving. Definitely check his channel out. Second shout-out goes to Richard Bennett. I've mentioned him many times before, I'm sure, of the channel The Beard Times 16. Richard is another awesome maker, and he's not afraid to do some weird stuff, but his wood turning is really brilliant. And he's recently come down to my workshop too, so hopefully there's going to be a video on his channel of a little workshop tour and an interview. So please check out the videos that they do. I'll pop a link to their channels in the description below and give them some love. So if you're still watching, well done. Of course, please like, subscribe if you want to see more awesome projects coming up, and feel free to shout ideas and feedback into the comments below. It's always welcome. Thanks for watching, people. Merry Christmas, and I'll see you all in the new year.